Oh my God. I just dumped it all out. Good morning. Okay, I have some black coffee here. I'm actually gonna go sit at my desk. I have a little bit of editing I have to do and emails. I'm gonna drink this and I'm excited for breakfast actually. I'm feeling like a smoothie bowl or something out of the ordinary for me. So we might be getting a little crazy today. Also, can we note, I have a mason jar this time. I'm not drinking out of a wine glass. Small wins, small wins. Okay, time for some breakfast. Let's try to make a smoothie bowl. So I've got some frozen banana in there. Now I wanted to add some greens inside, so I have some frozen spinach here. And then a little splash of some soy milk. Now I'm gonna add in a scoop of unflavored pea protein just to give a little more protein in this. Okay, let's blend this up. Okay, so it's not the prettiest color, but you know what? That's what spinach does to it. Oh my gosh, it's literally like brown sludge. Okay, I do want to let you know that I am aware that this looks horrendous. I should maybe not put the spinach in just for the video. Okay, now this is the real star of the show, and that's actually why I wanted to make this recipe today, because I actually made some homemade granola, and I'll have the video linked up above. This granola recipe is so fire. I eat it all the time, whether it's a topping on a smoothie bowl, as cereal, just kind of like snacking on it. So I'm gonna add this on top and dress up this smoothie bowl. Now, something that I hate when I get smoothie bowls places is when they don't give enough granola. Like, I am a granola enthusiast, and I want the entire bowl covered in granola. Something like that. Gonna add a handful of blueberries on top, and then we're gonna do a sprinkle of hemp seed as well. You know, it's not the vibrant pink acai bowls you see all over Instagram, but so good though. Wow, actually alarmingly really good. Oh my gosh. This is so cold. I'm like getting a bit of a brain freeze. Oh, I haven't had one of these in a hot minute. Wow, these are so good. I don't make these enough. Okay, it is about 2 o'clock now. I'm gonna make some lunch. I just got back from like a nice warm walk outside. I did a little at-home workout, and I'm super hungry now. I think I have an avocado in my fridge that is like perfectly ripe, so I think I'm gonna make a toast, and I might do like a tomato cucumber salad. I have a little herb garden outside, and I'm so excited. I'm growing, I actually have a jalapeno plant, bell pepper, cherry tomato, regular like heirloom tomato, and then a bunch of little herbs. Herbs, right? I feel like I always say that wrong. You guys are like, it's not herbs, but I think it is herbs, right? Regardless, I got some fresh basil, and I feel like that always just makes a salad feel that much more fresh and also like fancy. So let's do it. So I've just got a little bit of leftover dressing here. It's just like an apple cider vinegar, olive oil, salt, pepper, kind of vinaigrette. Pop that all on there. I think that salad is good to go. Wow, smells very good. Okay, now we're gonna make a little avocado toast. So I'm gonna take maybe like 1/3 of an avocado. This toast isn't too big. Oh wow, that is a gorgeous avocado. So I'm gonna peel the avocado. Oh yes. Let's see if this will be a beautiful spread or not. Oh yes. Okay, so I'm just gonna squeeze a lemon on top, and then I'll serve with another little lemon. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the everything but the bagel seasoning. Pop that on top, a little extra pepper. I'm gonna add on some crushed red pepper as well. I think I might put a little bit of hot sauce on this too. Okay, there is a nice light and healthy lunch. It looks super refreshing and it smells so good with all the fresh herbs. Let's eat it up. Okay, I don't know what to try first. This salad looks awesome. Let's see. I love fresh basil and fresh parsley. I swear, it just makes your whole meal taste better. Okay, let's try the avocado toast. Beautiful, it's beautiful. I am gonna put some hot sauce on it though. Fresh Restaurant's hot sauce is my literal favorite thing ever. It looks disgusting, but it's this homemade hot sauce. I'm just gonna put that on the avocado toast. Oh my God. I just dumped it all out. That did not go as planned. That is hilarious. I'm gonna need to like spoon it. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna dip it in. This was a disaster. This is gonna be one hot avocado toast now. That is too much hot sauce, but we'll make it work, you know. Cheers. It's good, but it's hot. Also, I just remembered I had a little bit of leftover pasta from last night's dinner. It's literally just like a little handful of just some like penne pasta with red sauce and some Beyond Meat like ground beef thing crumble. Anyways, I'm gonna eat this cold as well because I love day-old pasta. So good. Honestly, ideal lunch. Okay, I'll see you guys at dinner. Hello, it is a squeaky clean version of myself. Rare. Anyways, just had a glorious shower. Time for dinner. I'm gonna do a little burger and sweet potato fries. There's these burgers that I've really been liking from PC. They're kind of like a knockoff version of the Beyond Meat ones, but they're just really readily available here in Canada. I think they're a bit cheaper too, and they taste like very similar. So I'm gonna make a burger. I'm also gonna grill up some mushrooms to go along with that, and then throw some sweet potatoes in the oven as well. So I just have my oven preheated to 425. I'm just gonna cut the sweet potatoes into medium-sized fries. I feel like I, just consumed way too many sweet potatoes at one point in my life. I was so obsessed with them. So I kind of got back into a white potato phase, but now I feel like, I'm back. I'm just back with my true love, a good old sweet potato. Actually, something I do want to know, and I know you guys will know because you guys are way smarter than me. What's the difference between a sweet potato and a yam? Because I feel like when I go to the store, they're all labeled the same things, but I know there's a difference. Are these yams or are these sweet potatoes? I actually don't know. So I'm just gonna put these on some reusable parchment paper. These are the ones that I get from Amazon. I'll link them down below because you guys always ask, but I do have to say mine are so disgusting, and I try soaking them and scraping them. They look kind of nasty after a while, but you know what? I use them all the time, so I guess that's just kind of what happens. But if you guys do have any tips, let me know because it is starting to look a little questionable, that's for sure. Okay, so here, I'm gonna do a little drizzle of olive oil. That was not a very good technique, I will say that. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle on some coarse sea salt. I'm gonna do some garlic powder, black pepper. I'm gonna take some Italian seasoning, onion powder, got a little bit of paprika. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know what paprika does. I feel like it doesn't have a flavor, but I just put it on things. Pro tip. And then I'm gonna put a ton of rosemary as well. Okay, I'm just gonna give those a little, ideally you'd be tossing this in a bowl beforehand and not just haphazardly mixing this around with a giant spoon. But you know what? You guys know, my theory with cooking is I like to use as little utensils and dishes as possible because I hate cleaning. My ideal, I feel like, combo is I would cook everything, but someone has to clean everything, and then that would be a good little setup. But I hate cleaning, so I just will avoid using an extra bowl or container if I don't have to. Okay, I feel like those are like somewhat coated. It's definitely not great, but who cares? It's fine. It'll all taste the same. Okay, so these are gonna go in the oven for about 25-ish minutes. Okay. It is also 8:15. Wow, this is just, self-isolation has changed me. I used to eat dinner at 5 o'clock, but lately, this is my hour. Okay, so these are the PC beefless burgers that I was talking about. They're the Undeniable burger, and they're just really solid. So I'm gonna cook one of those up. I'm gonna put some mushrooms and caramelize some onions in the pan first. I have truly a sick obsession with onion. I'm not the type of person, I don't eat it raw, but I just love onion in everything. So I'm just gonna cut these in like little strips, I think. So the key with the onions is to go low and slow. I'm gonna let those cook up and get golden and sweet for probably about 5-ish, 10 minutes, and then I'll add in the mushrooms. I forgot these veggie burgers come in a pack of 2, so I'm gonna have to open both up. So I'm gonna make a giant batch of foods, that way I have lunch for tomorrow, because I probably won't eat 2 burgers in one go, so I'm just gonna make like a double batch. Okay, the onions are starting to get some color on them and to go translucent. So I'm gonna add in the mushrooms. I just pulled some fresh thyme from my little garden. I'm gonna pop that on top, as well as some fresh oregano. There, that makes it look a little more colorful because it's like basically a brown and orange meal. Okay, and there is dinner. I've got some ketchup and mustard, and I'm just gonna like cut up the burger and eat it like with a fork and a knife. Now this is a proper feast, okay. These mushrooms and onions look so good. I'm gonna sneak a bite. Potato. Wow, that's good stuff. I'm a child and I like ketchup with everything. Okay, let's try this burger. Lost an onion. So good. Wow, this is like the dream meal. These fries came out really good though, like extra good. Okay, so that is everything for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. Do you guys want to see more what I eat at days? Do you want to see less? Do you want to see what I eat in weeks? Do you want to see breakfast ideas? Unrelated food videos? Who knows? Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, follow, comment, like, do all the things. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!